Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so we are starting off with Nifty. I'll get back to the chart soon. Starting off with Nifty. Nifty, just a minute, let me clear all these things. So we have Nifty's chart here. Okay, so this is Nifty's chart. So what happened today? Market did come to our level in the morning. Okay, so I was expecting market to open somewhere near 19,670 or 80. So what happened, market opened and it came down. Okay, this is kind of a profit booking, and then it breached up with a very strong bullish candle. So I entered my trade here. That is, I entered exactly at here somewhere. Okay, and this was my stop loss. Below this was my stop loss, and this was a 1:4 trade. Okay, once it reached this level, I immediately exited it. I did not wait. Once it reached 19,830, I exited. I didn't want to wait anymore because 1:4 is a very good trade. So tomorrow, what is my action? Let's see that. If you guys see, this is a swing. Okay, if it breaches anywhere, and this red candle is, I feel like it is just a profit booking because of this kind of a rally. So tomorrow it might slowly go up, or it might become sideways, because if you guys see, it has been opening gap ups, and one more gap up we can expect market to reach even 20,000. So tomorrow what will be my action is, let me go to 1 hour time frame and draw a trend line here. This is a trend line. Okay, so there is a gap. I see a huge gap here. The higher chances are market can take sideways here and then break, because this is a solid negative candle. This does not mean market is going negative. This means a profit booking has happened. We have to wait for another big players to enter in so they can push us up more. Okay, so when will I enter is, if it breaches anywhere near 19,860 and above, I look forward to buy it. My sell position will only be considered only after it breaches 19,600 or lower. Okay, so this is for Nifty. Next, let's see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as we expected, market came to a level today. Okay, here is where I was ready to buy. I did not initiate any new positions here. So tomorrow morning, I'll see how the market opens. If it opens anywhere like 30-40 points close to the close, that is today's close, I will definitely enter, and this will be my stop loss. Okay, my stop loss will be 44,000, 44,000 and 100, something like that. 44,100 or 44,050 will be my stop loss tomorrow most probably, and my target will be 44,500. This will be my target. So that's it for Bank Nifty. I'm not looking forward to sell it. Market is positive. Selling is counter trend, so I don't prefer doing that. And selling, I look forward only after 43,000 and 690 or 80. Alright, till then there is no sell on Bank Nifty. Next is US oil. I don't know how many of you guys saw my US oil's strategy video today. Key level strategy video. This is a live trade now. So today my profit targets was done, but still I wanted to hold this trade, and I got an opportunity, so I had to take it. So in 5 minutes chart, if you see, here is where I entered. Let me show that on crude oil M. Okay, so this is crude oil M. I'll show you here. I entered here. Okay, I'm still holding it. So this is the ledger, if you guys see. So I entered somewhere at this level, that is 6364. I entered, that is, I entered here 6364, and my stop loss was 6389, and I have trailed my stop loss. This is my stop loss for now. Now I'm gonna trail it till here. Here's where I'm gonna trail my stop loss, that is 6130. Let me just change it really quick. So this is how you should set your stop loss. 6130, right? 6130, yeah. Trigger price 6130. That's it. Modify. So this is a live trade, guys. Yeah, this is a live trade happening now. So I'm going to let it run. If I see a very big candle here, I might push this stop loss to this level also again, because if it continues, there's a huge chance for it to continue. And please look into that video. I will definitely post it on the end screen. You'll be getting the link to that video. Please, it is a very, very strong strategy. And even if you learn that one strategy, you can make very big profits. Okay, so I will just tell you what is the risk here. My risk is 250 rupees here. That's it. Okay, 250 rupees, and I'm almost at 2800 rupees. 2720 is what it's showing, but I was at 2800. Okay, so the risk to reward ratio is huge. It's 1 is to 11, 1 is to 10. Alright, so I hope you guys understand this. And next, let's see gold. Gold on one chart, it did not reach any of our levels, so I'm not trading anything as of now in gold. I'm going to wait for my levels to be breached. We have 4 stocks for swing trading. If you guys see, Hero Motocorp has given a breakout on a daily time frame. We already had these levels marked. On a weekly time frame, actually, we had these levels marked. Now it has breached. Tomorrow my action will be, if anywhere, if it surpasses 33,005 rupees somewhere, I'll buy it, and my stop loss would be if it crosses 3,300 and 3,309 rupees or 3,310 rupees, I'll buy it, and my stop loss will be 3,250. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna trade Hero Motocorp for tomorrow. It is a good pattern. It has broken from this pattern, but we can expect a pullback. Even if it comes anywhere near this level, that is 3,225 somewhere, I'll definitely buy it. Yeah, that's it for Hero Motocorp. Next is Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland was on a downtrend. Now it has taken an uptrend, but this is a consolidation phase. Okay, this is a consolidation phase. Once it is breached outside this, we can look forward for an upside momentum. Okay, so if it crosses anywhere above 170 rupees or 180 rupees, I will definitely buy this, and my stop loss will be 175 rupees, 176 rupees. Next is Dr. Reddy's Lab. Dr. Reddy's Lab is also same. This is a pole and flag pattern. This is a pole and this is a flag. Pole and flag has been broken. Now tomorrow I'm expecting it to come little lower, so I can buy it, and then I will hold it. Okay, these are all swing trading, guys. You have to hold it at least till you guys reach 1:2. Okay, that's how this thing works. So if I get a price of 530, 535 or 540 also, I'm totally fine with it. I will buy it and I'll hold it till 5,850. Okay, so this will be my target. Next is Zydus Life Science. Zydus Life Science was on a downtrend, and this is a very impulsive uptrend, up move. So this is a support which has been respected and gone up. So we have one resistance here and one resistance at this location. If it crosses this, then definitely we can see an up move, but even this we can trade. So tomorrow I might enter at 635 rupees somewhere, and my target will be 662 rupees. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video, and please do check out the strategy video which I posted today. It is a very, very strong strategy. Okay, this strategy can make you very profitable if you do it right, if you time it right, and if you wait patiently. So please do watch that. I'll post it on the last page. Right, thank you so much. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be appreciated.